This story is brought to you by the Health and Homeopathy Podcast.
Now, other people, my daughter's mother-in-law has diverticulitis. And as you know, there's a Banerjee protocol for that. And I told her about it, and she did this, Okay, that's that. But now, fast forward to a few weeks ago, she has seen what I've done for my grandsons, and they had the dreaded illness. And my daughter told me, and I said, do you think she'd take some remedies? And she says, yeah, Mom, I think she would. So I texted Kelly and said, Kelly, I hear you've got the illness. I've got remedies that'll help you get through it a lot smoother. Do you want me to bring them over? Oh, yes, please. And they were so, because this one was dragging on for them. They'd been sick 2 weeks and they weren't really improving. And literally within 2 and 3 days, massive improvement. And they were on the stuff for about a week, but you could tell right off the bat from one day to the next, there was improvement. So the people that are willing to accept the help, that are willing to take a chance, that's one more person that's going to go, yes, this stuff works. Whatever this is, it works. And the ones that don't, maybe somewhere down the line, but you don't stop asking. But now I don't do so much offering anymore as I get texts or emails or calls from different people saying, I've got a cousin, I've got a friend, are you willing to help them? And I said, sure, I'm willing to help anyone. Make sure they know I'm not a homeopath, but I'll tell them what I've used that I know works, and give them all the options and everything.
Be sure to like and subscribe, and share this story with someone who needs the healing power of homeopathy.